Aaron Mullen, number 28, won this race last year for Team Colavita. This is the dance to the Lord, Menomonie.
Oh, Leah! Yeah!
There you have your top three. Leah Kirchmann, Amber Neiman, Aaron Mullen. 1, 2, 3. Tomorrow, the final stage of this great race. Our stage winner today, wow. Best young rider, awesome. Leah Kirchmann, Colavita. Well, Leah, you're working on a clothing collection here. It's kind of awesome to watch. In the sprint classification, every time you flash across that line as a stage winner, she did, you pick up a handful of points towards our Wheaties Fuel Sprint classification. One more time, Leah Kirchmann, Colavita. She leads our sprint classification. Steve, it is put one jersey right over the top of the other. She's going to have so many jerseys, she's going to suffocate on the way back to the team vehicle. Leah, thank you very much for showing your splendid set of skills. Leah Kirchmann, Colavita, winner, leader in the Wheaties Fuel Sprint competition. I guess sprinters hit, and something is missing, terribly missing. We're going to rectify it right now. Leah Kirchmann is also now the Queen of the Hills competition, Jelly Belly Sport Beans. Holy cow! We'll figure this all out tomorrow. Awesome, Leah. Colavita. She's already starting to sweat inside 4 jerseys. But she's game for it. Leah Kirchmann, thank you very much. Awesome. Yeah, Leah's got to come up, and she's wearing 3 of them. Good Lord. All right, well, there they are, ladies and gentlemen. The cream of the crop of the 2011 Women's Nature Valley Grand Prix. Amber Neiman of HTC High Road is our new race leader.
You got your lens in. Oh, thank you. Wow.